Welcome you all to my tutorial, that is compound if statement in Python. Compound if statement. The syntax of the compound if statement, that is if conditional expression, then statement block for true condition, else statement block for false condition. Means out of these two blocks only one condition will be executed, one indented statement will be executed. If the condition is true, then the statement followed by the if statement, that will be executed either. Otherwise, the second statement that comes under else, that will be executed here. So if and else are keywords. A statement block of code indented inside the if statement are executed only if condition evaluates to true. Otherwise, statements following else will be executed, as I explained you here also in my syntax. Okay. Now, at a time, only one block of statements will be executed. Either statements block true condition or statements block false condition. So let's have a look on the flowchart here. Okay. Condition. If condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed and the flow will come here to the end. Okay. Otherwise, if it is false, then the statement 2 will be executed. Okay. And again, the flow will come to the next one. Okay. So here is a example of compound if statement. Okay. Write a program to find whether a given number is odd or even. So I have written a small program here. X is equal to integer, input, enter the number. Whatever the number, it will be converted into integer. Okay. Then if x modulus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Means if the remainder is 0, then it will print even number, else otherwise it will print the odd number. So when I will run my program, if it will ask me for number, if I have entered 20, that means when I will divide this by 2, the remainder will come 0 and it will print the even number here. Okay, so this is how we can just simply use the if else statement. So out of these two statements, only one statement will be executed. Wherever the condition is true, that will be executed, else the other one. Okay. So let's open a new file here. Okay. File, new file, and write a small program here. X is equal to integer, then input, and then enter number. Okay, enter number. Clear? And after that it will ask me if, and now I have to give the condition here, if x modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then what it has to do, followed by colon, it has to print the even number. Okay, good, fine. So else, otherwise, what it has to do, it has to colon print odd number. Fine. So let's save it and just find out the what is the output of this program. So I will write down the name if odd, saving, and I am going to run this program. Okay, I am giving here, suppose I am writing here 10, so it's even number. If I will again run this program, okay, and I am writing here 37, any number, it is telling me the odd number. So this is how I can use my I can use the if and else statement. Okay, if either it will print this, if this is true, this statement will be executed, otherwise this statement, else statement will be executed here. Thank you. Let's move forward, okay, with one more example and one more practical. So here is write a program to test the divisibility of a number with another number. Okay, so we will write down the program here practically. Let's see it. What would be the output and what type of statements we have to write and what type of conditions I have to write over there. Okay. Okay. So let me open a new file again. So let's write down here number 1 is equal to integer input. Okay. Then again enter first number. Fine. And after that again the same thing. Let me just copy down it. Control C here, Control V, and I will simply just do the editing. Second number. Fine. And after that I will now give my what I want. Remainder is equal to number 1 divided by number 2. Okay. Now next is if remainder, okay, if remainder is equal to 0, okay, if remainder is equal to 0, then print number 1, then print number 1 comma is divisible by number 2. Okay, this is what, and otherwise else what it has to do, print the statement, this one, let me copy, Control V, is not. Okay, so this is what it has to do here. Fine. So let's see the output. Let me save it. Save as just a minute. Save as div. Okay. Fine. Let me run the program. Okay, it is asking me the number. If I will write here this and the second number this, so it is it divisible by 3? 117? Yes, so that's why it is telling it is divisible by this. Okay, if now I just simply have to I have to run my program again. Okay, and I am writing here 119, the number is 3, it is not divisible by 3. If I will run my program again, okay, then if I will write here 160 divided by 2, yes, it is divisible by 2. So this is how we can use the we can test the divisibility of a number with another number. That is, if a number is divisible by another number. So we can use, this is how we can use if and else statement. I hope you have understood the concept here of if and else. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and visit again for new updates. And don't forget to simply click on the bell icon. Thank you.